Hello and welcome to today's video. We're tackling an essential topic, phishing. It's not the most thrilling topic out there, but it's crucial for your online safety. Let's dive into what phishing is and how to recognize it in emails. Now let's go ahead and jump into the introduction slide. Phishing is an old yet evolving threat, becoming trickier to spot. Despite better antivirus tools, these attacks are more common and harmful. Anyone can be a target, but by learning to recognize and respond to phishing, we can turn potential victims into powerful defenders against these cyber threats. Now let's go into what a phishing email is. So what is a phishing message? Phishing messages are deceptive emails or texts that seem legitimate but are sent by cyber criminals. These messages, which can come through emails, websites, text, or social media, often imitate real communications from banks, government agencies, or online service providers to trick you. Now, how to spot phishing emails. Phishing emails are disguised to make you do things like click on links, open attachments, or share your login details. The trickiest ones are very convincing, using tactics that make them seem trustworthy. But if you fall for these tricks by clicking on a harmful link or giving away your information, it can allow attackers to access your computer or network, leading to infiltration and significant damage. Now you may be asking, Richard, why is phishing so effective? Well, it all comes down to social engineering. The internet makes it easy to find personal details without hacking or deception. Threat actors often gather information from social media, professional profiles, and online sources to understand what triggers a response. For instance, they might learn about someone's favorite hobby or recent vacation, and then craft a phishing email tailored to these interests, enticing the person to click a link or open an attachment. Now let's jump into 5 clues to spot phishing emails. Number 1 is going to be sense of urgency or threats. If you get an email that pressures you to do something quickly, especially with warnings of bad results if you don't, it's likely a phishing attempt. The sender wants you to respond fast without taking time to think about it. Number 2, suspicious email addresses, links, and domain names. Check for mismatches in email addresses, links, and domain names. Hover over links to verify their destination and compare the sender's address with previous communications. Number 3, grammar and spelling errors. Phishing emails may have significant grammatical or spelling mistakes. Unlike minor errors you might expect from a colleague, these are often more glaring, like misspelling names or company names or unusual sentence structures. Number 4, suspicious attachments. Be cautious with email attachments, especially in internal communication where file sharing platforms are more common. Watch out for unusual file types known for carrying malware, such as exe or executable files. Number 5, sensitive information requests. Be careful with emails that request your login, payment, or personal information, especially if they come from someone you weren't expecting to hear from. Watch out for links in these emails that take you to pages where you're asked to enter this kind of information. Now, next steps. In the next video, we're going to review phishing examples, and then we're going to walk through a phishing quiz together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.